Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny and thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Alrighty guys, so as you can see from the title, I'm going to be talking to you guys about this hair. I'm going to be telling you guys how long I've had it in and just kind of like how I've been able to maintain it thus far. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into it. Alrighty guys, so this is the hair, the Marley hair that I did. I forgot the name of it, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I've had this hair in for about a week and a few days now. So this is what it looks like in for a week. And honestly, I don't really have complaints. The only complaint is that it's a lot of hair. Like a lot of hair, and the first few days it kind of gave me a headache, not because it's heavy but because it's just so much, and it kind of, I guess, like, because when it's condensed it gets a little bit heavy, but when it's out like this, like, it's totally fine. So I had a little bit of a headache the first few days, but other than, oh, and then I can't, like, it's winter here in Canada, so like it was hard putting on my hood because of how big it was. Even when I had it back in a ponytail, like the part that was out was just so big that it was hard to put on my hood and also my hat, so that was a little bit annoying. But other than that, in terms of maintenance, like, literally I have no complaints. I feel like the hair looks pretty good still. In regards to like keeping it looking, I guess, fresh, literally I did nothing. I bought originally because I saw all the other girlies using the Hawaiian Silk 4-in-1 spray for synthetic hair. They said it's really good for synthetic hair, so I got it just in case, but I have not used it. Literally all I have to do is separate the hair, and it pretty much looks pretty good. Like, I haven't cut it yet. This is what the ends look like. I have not cut it, I have not done anything. So literally when I take it out of my bonnet, I fluff it, like I separate it. As you can see, like, it separates pretty easily. I feel like because I didn't brush out the hair and it kept its natural form, it's really easy to separate. So like, as you can see, I'm separating it and it's really good. And if there has been a little bit of tangles, not like anything crazy where I had to cut out, but if there is tangles, I literally, like, for instance, well, no, this is actually a strand, but like, I'm trying to see, like, it really didn't tangle much. And if it does tangle, you just literally pull it apart like this, and that's it. And then the ends do have a lot of frizz. I don't know if you can see it. So all I do is just, once I'm done pulling it together, I just pull the ends out to keep it looking nice and fresh. And that's literally it. That's all I've been doing. This is how much I've gotten from that pull. So I would say this hairstyle with this specific hair is like low-ish maintenance because I haven't had to use products. I haven't had to cut it. It's been literally a week. I've been having it out every day. So yeah, like, I feel like it looks good. In regards to how I maintain it in regards to fall going to sleep. So the first day, I actually split it in two, like so. And then I just took the section and I just braided it into two. So I'll show you, I ripped it apart and just did 2 loose braids. You can even do twists. I feel like you can get away with twists, but I just did 1 braid to the side like that. Yeah, so nothing fancy. I did 1 braid and then I did the other braid, and then I just put it back, pulled it back, and put my bonnet. So I did that for the first few days because I thought, like, if I don't tie it down, it's gonna get naughty. But it didn't, and I'm not really one for tying my hair. I should. I don't even do it with my locks, but I actually kept my bonnet on for the full week. I did. I actually really did. I'm not usually the one to do that, but with the whole braiding situation, it was hurting my head. So all I did was After the first few days, I just put it back in a ponytail and just stuffed it in my bonnet. You're gonna want a large bonnet to fit all the hair in, or else it's gonna come out. Or you're gonna have hair falling out. So I do recommend getting like an extra large bonnet or an extra large bonnet to fit all the hair. But other than that, yeah, that's it. And even some days I just stuffed it all in and then I woke up and separated it. So really, I feel like it doesn't really matter per se how you tie it down. As long as you do tie it down, I do recommend you keep it tied down. But yeah, that's literally it. No complaints with this hair other than it's just really big. But if you love big, then I for sure recommend it. But if you want something a little bit more like, you know, big but not too big, then I wouldn't recommend, or even like, not to say that I wouldn't recommend it, but like it would be a nice style if you don't have to wear anything on top of your head. And unfortunately that's not the case here because it is snowy and cold and whatnot. But other than that, I really do like this hair. I feel like this could go for another week. But I want to take it out because I have other hair that I want to do, and I have another video that I have to film with my locks. So unfortunately, I have to take this out earlier than planned. And it's honestly it's a lot of hair, so I'm kind of ready to take it out. But yeah, other than that, I do like this hair. I recommend it for those that like that voluptuous look, who want something low maintenance but still super cute. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, for sure put them down in the comments and I will be sure to answer. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.